good morning, good morning, students. Good morning, parents. This is Teacher LM, and welcome back to our science class. Okay, so yesterday we studied about the types of soil. So there are 6 types of soil. Those are sandy soil, chalky soil, peaty soil, clay soil, silty soil, and loamy soil. So this morning, this afternoon, we are going to study a new lesson. Okay, so this afternoon, we are going to study about landforms. What are landforms, students? Okay, so landforms are features of the earth. Again, what are landforms? Landforms are the features of the earth. So there are 3 basic types of landforms. So the first one is mountain. Mountain is a place on earth surface that is much higher than the land around it. Okay, again class, there are 3 basic types of landforms. Those are mountain, plateau, and plain. And first one is mountain. Mountain is a place on earth's surface that is much higher than the land around it. Okay, this is mountain look like. Okay, all right, kids. So mountain is look like this. So this landform is called mountain. All right. The second landform is plateau. So plateau is a flat area higher than the land around it. Okay, so this is how plateau look like. Okay, it says here that plateau is a flat area higher than the land around it. So this is flat and this is the land. So this is how plateau look like. Okay, so at the top of the land, it is flat. All right. Then the next one is plain. Plain is a flat area on Earth's surface. So this is how the plain looks like. Okay, plain landforms is the land that we lived. Okay, yes, we usually lived in plain landforms. Okay, again, class, 3 basic types of landforms are mountain, plateau, and plain. This is a mountain, this is a plateau, and this is a plain landform. Now, let's practice identifying the landforms. Okay, how to answer direction, identify what is the name of the landforms. Okay, again, what do you call this landform? This is mountain. All right, mountain. So mountain, I spell Mountain. How about the second landform? What do you call this landform? It is flat in the top of the land. Here at the top is flat. Okay, this landform is called plateau. Okay, plateau. So plateau I spell Plateau. Plateau. Okay, the third landform is called plain. Okay, so plain I spell Plain. Again, class, what are the 3 landforms? Those are mountain, plateau, and plain. So that's all about landforms. Now let's talk about water. All right. So water, class, it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Has no color, no taste, and thus not smell anything. It exists in 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas. So solid are ice, snow, and hail. Liquid are lakes, oceans, rain, dew, or mist. Gas, steam, or water vapor. Again, class water. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. It has no color, no taste, and does not smell anything. It exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so that is all about water. We will continue our lesson about water tomorrow. Okay, so goodbye, class, and have a good day.